Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Germany and we are gonna visit Dreimühlen-Wasserfall. I hope that you will enjoy this new adventure. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe and to hit the bell to support me and my channel. Okay, let's go!
Shining like a beacon of bright stars. How did life go wandering far?
What happened?
I wanted to take one. Take the big one.
Okay.
I eat also. I eat them.
Thank you.
Mmm. Oh shit.
Come. So as you can see, before to arrive to the waterfall, there is a trail to follow. There are two trails to follow. One is between the rocks, so you must climb, but we have chosen the easiest path because it's a very rainy day and because we are not really wanting to struggle so much today. But anyways, the sound of nature is always very beautiful. Let's continue to walk in the forest, at the middle of the forest, and let's go to the waterfall.
When I'm scared, I send a flare.
Well guys, it's really worth the walk. This is a very relaxing sound of nature, and it's a beautiful place. The environment is fantastic. There is also a picnic table with the chairs and all the stuff to eat, to enjoy your friends or family, your boyfriend, your girlfriend or whatever, your dogs. It's a fantastic place. I love it. So, thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, to share and to subscribe. Okay, see you soon with my next adventure. Ciao and meow.